You love a good cold start, don't you? November 20th, about 27 degrees. Winter came early. What do you think? 5 pumps? Huh. Yeah, I guess you can depend on the International on a cold day, too. Unbelievable. Build up some oil pressure, will you? Build up some air pressure, too. What a runner. I didn't even use the choke. Can't, it's froze up. There you go. As you can see, that accelerator pump, that fixed her up good. In mint. See, it's still here. Probably will start and everything. The only one that's not here is the gray bus. It's at the doctor's. Battery in this one's probably too dead to start, but hey, we'll give her a try. Why not? Yep, battery in this thing is junk.